Hello, this is Victoria Wynn. So I have been getting so many requests about the LUXE gift course that's coming up. And I don't mean to be taking my sweet time with it. It's an extremely thorough course. And I thought it would be so fun to have it focused on things that you can do and create quicker and less messy than huge canvas pieces, which you guys all know that I love. And I have multiple courses in canvas art using acrylics. So in the LUXE Gifts course, if you are a giver like me, you're gonna love this course. And if you sell your creative, beautiful creations, then you will also love this course because it'll be things like wooden signs, how to create beautiful ombre techniques, the fade of colors, how to create things like vases, again, all acrylics, not resin, so safe for you, your family, the pets in the house. We'll be using LUXE water effects. That is probably something that I get most questions about, and even related to this course, because I made it clear that I'm going to divulge my secrets, my LUXE water effects secrets to creating oceanic like waves and water, marbling, especially the marbling. I get a lot of questions about that, and it just finally hit me like over the head. I got to share it. I got to teach it. So this course for LUXE Gifts, jewelry, will also be, you can take it to your canvas art, because I'm going to be divulging my secrets to art that looks like resin, and to things that you can gift give and you can sell, picture frames. And so gold leafing. And something else about this course, and yes, if it sounds like a huge, juicy, fun course, it is. It's a really, really big course. The other addition is I'm going to have a lesson on selling. We've got the whole winning strategies to selling fine art course for you to delve into. You're going to learn about confidence and how to price your work. I am going to add a lesson though to the LUXE Gifts course that is on selling. I'm going to give you some bullet points, and then if you really, really want to deep dive into it, then you can hop on over to the winning strategies for selling fine art course. This lesson though is really going to get you started, and I'm really, really going to challenge you on believing in yourself enough to price your art appropriately, and how to set yourself apart from thousands and thousands of other artists out there, and to help you to get clear on your identity and your why. So that alone will be worth the price. But of course I want to divulge the LUXE water effect secrets and teach you making jewelry. I don't mean acrylic pouring skins. I mean creating little worlds in bracelets and pendants and hair clips, and so fun. So I want to offer a behind the scenes look at the course, and discount for jumping in super early. So you're going to see, as I'm adding the lessons to the course, you will see that live in your dashboard on winmodernart.com. So yeah, as they're, it's not really called posted, as they're uploaded, the new lessons, you're going to be right there and see it. You'll probably even see typos and all that stuff, because I go and at the very end I polish it, and then I have an official launch, and that's where the pricing will go up to its regular price. But I want to offer behind the scenes, and this is going to be really fun. I get so many questions about this, and I thought, well, what's the harm in showing you how the whole course develops? So there might be let's say 12 lessons, but I might move them around and be like, it doesn't make sense to do this. And you'll see like the whole creation of it. And you'll be able to start right away because I have so much of the content already, the videos are already shot. So right off the bat, you will get started, but you're going to see me moving things around or retitling things, or I'll be like, this one needs an introduction. So you'll see me adding 2 different lessons. And I've never done this before. I've always only shared when I've like to the public when I've had a full-on launch of a course. And so this is I think this is going to be really neat because also you guys can make suggestions and, you know, hey, I would love to know how you protect the gold leaf. Do you mind sharing that in the lesson on whatever it might be, because there will be places to make comments within the course. So I will leave the information and the link and all that in the caption of this video. But I want to tell you, I'm doing something brand new here for 2020 and letting you guys into the behind the scenes of my crazy, crazy mind in this extremely fun course. If you are a giver and you also would love to learn about selling, even if you're not ready yet, and you like the idea of not having to make a huge, huge mess like me with my canvas art, but you still want to get your creative self on, and you only have 30 minutes or an hour, I'm going to have a whole bunch of lessons where you can do simple creative things like jewelry and picture frame, and sell it, keep it, gift it. It's going to be amazing. winmodernart.com, and I'm Victoria Wynn.